Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Amreen Akhtar Tania, teacher of Milestone School and College, English Medium Junior Section, Sector 7. So my dear students, how are you all? I hope you all are very fine. Okay, so now Miss is going to take your math class. In our math class, what we learn? In our math class, we learn number, counting of objects and comparing objects on its size, length and quantity. So, before starting the class, let's read out the numbers.
1. Sun. 2. 1, 2. 2 balls. 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 spiders. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 dolls. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 birds. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 cows. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 butterflies. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 kites. 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 fishes. 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 apples.
In our previous math class, what did we learn? In our previous math class, we learned tall and short. Tall and short. So, can you say what is tall and what is short? Okay, I will show you. See, here one flower and here another stick of flower. So, which flower is tall and which flower is short? Can you say? Look properly. Here, their heights are not same. See, they are standing on the same position. They are standing on the same position, but their heights are not same. So, this one is tall and this one is short. Tall, short. Tall, short. So, are you clear? Okay. Today, we will learn something new. So, are you ready? Okay. So, today we will learn how to recognize more and less. Today we will learn more and less. More, less. More, less. Okay. So, what is more and what is less? More means so many. More means so many. Less means very few. Less means very few. When the quantity is so many, that time we will say more. And when the quantity is very few, that time we will say less. More, less. Okay. So now I will tell you a story. Do you like story? Now I will tell you a story about an animal. It lives in the salty water. Do you like to see? This is the animal. This is crocodile. What is its name? This is crocodile. Crocodile lives in the salty water. See, this is crocodile. Wow, so nice, right? Okay, so what crocodile like, do you know? Crocodile likes to eat more food. If you give them food, give it food, it will take the more food, not the less food. Okay, so now I am asking the crocodile, is it hungry? Hello, Mr. Crocodile, are you hungry? Yes, I am hungry. Okay, so do you want to eat food? Yes, I am hungry. I want food. Okay, so I am giving you food. Wait. Wow, these are your food. So, what are these? This is monkey. This is monkey. And these are penguins. These are penguins. So, the crocodile likes to eat more foods. So, which food he will take? Can you say? It will take monkey or penguins. Can you guess? Here, how many monkey? One monkey. And how many penguins? 1, 2, 3. 3 penguins. So, which one crocodile will take? Crocodile will take the more food. That means it will eat penguins like this. Yeah. So, crocodile has taken all the penguins. It doesn't take the monkey because monkey is less. And here penguins are more. That's why the crocodile has eaten the penguins. So, this is all about our story. And from this story, what we learn? We learned crocodile takes the more food. That means here penguins are more and monkey is less. Here 1 monkey, 3 penguins. Now I will show you something. See what in my hands? In my hands there are fruits. In my right hand here some oranges. See? And in my left hand here some mangoes. Okay, so here which one is more and which one is less? Can you say? To know which one is more and which one is less, at first we need to count. Okay, if we count, then we will know which one is more and which one is less. Okay, let's count the oranges. Here, how many oranges? 1, 2. 2 oranges. And here, how many mangoes? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 mangoes. So, which will be more and which will be less? Here, 4 mangoes will be more and 2 oranges are less. Because 4 are so many and 2 are less. So, students, now look at the board. Our today's topic is recognize more and less. So, more means so many. More means so many. Less means very few. So, can you tell me in which box there are more ice creams and less ice creams. So how can we do? At first we will have to count. So let's count this box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 5 ice creams. Okay, and here how many ice creams? 1, 2. Here 2 ice creams. So which one is more and which one is less? Here this one is more because here 5 ice creams and here 2 ice creams. So this is more and this is less. Okay, so now Miss will draw another thing. Okay, just look here. What is this? This is these are balls. Okay. Here 1 ball. Here 3 balls. So if I give you, then which one you will take? Definitely you will take more balls, right? So which one you will take? We will take the more one. Which one is more? Here 1, 2, 3. 3 balls and here 1 ball. So this one is more. 3 balls are more. 1 ball is less. 3 balls are more and 1 ball is less. So are you clear about more and less? More means so many. Less means very few. Okay.
In this picture, we can see 2 apple trees and we can see apples also. So, can you say which is more and which is less? How can we say? At first, we need to count the apples. Then we can say in which tree has more apples and less apples. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here we can see 8 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in one tree we can see 8 apples and in another tree we can see 5 apples. So which is more? 8 apples are more. 5 apples are less.
Now, Miss will give you homework. This is very interesting. Okay. Look. What is this? Okay. You will color the less things. Okay. See what I have written? Put colors in the less pictures. So, you will draw some objects in one box more and in one box less. Okay, then you will color the less things. So can you do? See, Miss has done here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carrots, right? And here 1, 2. 2 carrots, right? So here less things and here more things. So I put the color on the less things. Like this way you will do, okay? So this is all about our today's class, okay? Bye bye.